Good afternoon all. It is potato harvest time. Now, normally I would wait for these leaves to go a bit more brown, but yeah, they're starting to die back anyway, and there's a tiny, oops, sorry, not the camera, tiny little shoot there, which means whatever potatoes I've got is already sprouting again. So I think in due course we have to do something about harvesting this pot. It is a couple of days before payday and I'm running out of food, as in vegetables and stuff. So we've had flowers, so there's got to be something in here. Excuse me, I'm a little bit phlegmy today. With regards to me moving, we had a meeting about it yesterday and I told them what kind of house I want to move into next. Whether I will get that or not, I don't know. At the moment, they haven't got anything available for me, but I am number one on their priority rating list, so I don't think it'll be terribly long before I do move, maybe about a month or something like that. So yeah, there's a couple of suburbs that got mentioned in the meeting that I'm sort of umming and ahhing about, so yeah. Hang on, this might be a two-handed job. Hang on. She's heavy. She is heavy. If I lift her up at the bottom, there's no bugs or anything. Oh, hang on a sec, guys. Yeah, no, fingers in the way. Okay. Good looking root system. It's we're down to 25 degrees today, so the pot's still a bit warm. I've been elevating the pots off the ground, as you have seen, so it's which is a good thing. And this would have to be one of the better pots with regards to potato leaves. So let's see. This pot's been going since January. I was hoping to keep it going till April, but I think it's decided it's had enough. So far, not looking good. Please tell me I haven't harvested early. I can't work out. That's the seed potato. Oh dear. There you go, guys. Oh dear. You're kidding. Where are they? There they are. There. Harvested way too early. Sorry if my finger keeps getting in the way. I honestly thought they would be a lot bigger than that. Yeah, harvested too early. Bugger, bugger, bugger. Yeah, here they are. That's definitely a seed potato. I knew it was too early. Might have to repot that one though. Let's see if they're all hiding. Not a very good start, but it's a meal at least. Um, yeah, so I was just a bit too early, pardon me there. Um, yeah, so I've got a couple of other pots up there that are going at the moment, so that's no big drama. Um, one day I will get those baking sizes. One day. One day. And that's enough for tea tonight, I think. I've just run out of veggies. The price of food in the shops have just gone sky high, and I sort of haven't been doing any gardening because, like, it's just a question of when I am moving. And yeah, we haven't had any rain for a while. Yeah, winter is coming, slowly but surely. We still have had a lot of hot weather, and yeah, I just haven't been going anywhere to do any shopping for the garden or anything like that. The tomatoes are just about done. And yeah, it's just been hot and too expensive to shop or do anything at the moment. Yeah, it's just 2022 is not looking like a good year at the moment for a lot of people. Good for me because I'm moving to a new house, I think, but yeah, and it's frustrating because I'm stuck in limbo. You know, I can't do anything here. I can't do anything till I get to my new place. And I don't know when I'll find out about that. So yeah, it's very frustrating. So having said all that, I'm very sorry about that pitiful potato harvest. I thought they'd be a lot bigger than that. But yeah, oh well, bit of something for tea tonight. Okay, guys, there's really not much else to talk about or report, so I will talk to you all later. Bye.